What's up, guys? So, today I just wanted to talk about the key to unlimited energy as a developer, really, as anything that you're learning or doing, whatever skill or profession that you're trying to get into. The absolute key to unlimited energy, guys, to keep doing it, keep learning, keep improving. At the end of the day, it's not really, yes, passion is a big part of it, but like you have to enjoy what you're doing at least somewhat. But the key to unlimited energy and what you guys need to be striving for learning this skill is to make money from it. You want to be able to improve your lifestyle, not have money be an issue, be able to pay your bills, do what you want when you want to do, maybe even create financial freedom, become an entrepreneur like I'm doing. You've got to put these skills to work as soon as possible, okay? And I will never stop preaching this. Do not look at this as just I'm going to learn forever and ever and ever. It's like those people, and I've known a couple of them that I've actually worked with that, dude, they're like in their late 40s, mid 40s, and they're still just keep going to college to like collect new degrees. Like, and I don't understand it. Like, they just like keep learning stuff that they're never going to use, I guess, for a credential, but like nobody really cares about. And you don't want to do that with like it's very, very easy to do that in this whole web developer thing, to get caught up in one thing. Like, oh, I've got to perfect JavaScript. I've got to spend 1,000 hours being a React master and doing all this stuff. And like the whole time you're not even making money from it. You're not applying to jobs, or you're not getting job interviews or nothing. You're not doing anything with the skill. You're just like on this treadmill. You're like on the little hamster wheel, like a hamster, right? You're just running and running and running and learning all this stuff. You're not putting it into practice. You're not building real stuff. It's all for nothing at that point. Like, you have to value your time, okay? Value your time. Do not just keep learning course after course. Do not become a Udemy-aholic. That's a new word for you. There's people that go on Udemy and they just buy 89 different coding courses for 20 different languages. Like, they're actually going to sit through them all anyway. You're like if you finish one Udemy course in your life that related to coding, let alone buy, every course you can find. Like, it's just not realistic, guys. Please put your skills into practice as soon as possible. You don't have to be a master of any one language. There's a million coders out there that are better than me, but they're not making money like I am. Like, I guarantee you that. It doesn't take a lot, especially with AI, guys. Like I said in videos past, the new path is to just learn your fundamentals, learn your basics. You can learn them all from me. I teach them on YouTube for free. Or, of course, I've got the complete full stack web developer course that you can take, right? Just $20 a month to get started. You can learn all this stuff. And then when you're really, really good, you bring AI into the mix, like ChatGPT or whatever you want to use, whenever you have questions or you need to learn a new thing. And then it gives you the answer. And then it's actually interactive learning, because once you know how to prompt AI and use technical language for what you want to do, it helps you a million times better. So that's why I always say learn your fundamentals before you jump into having AI help you, because otherwise you're not going to know what you want or how to technically explain to AI what to do. And AI is not good enough to be a mind reader. It's far from that. It's going to mess you up. So learn your fundamentals first. But once you know them, like, you're on your way. That's it. Just learn your fundamentals. That's all you need. Imagine this, making $100 in one day for work that you did months ago as a developer. Like, and this can go to any industry if you're thinking about doing something else, like even just in life in general. Imagine making a course or making some piece of content or using your dev skills to make a website with a paid tier for some kind of digital service. And I was just like, I got this $100 email when I was just sitting in the bathroom, dude. I was playing like a game on my phone, just sitting there, and bing, you made $100. Like, imagine that. Like, and that's what you want to get to. That's what you want to strive for. Or if you want the 9-to-5 job, if you prefer that, whatever. If you want to be a freelancer and make your money that way, there's a lot of freedom in that too. But again, the key to unlimited energy: put these skills to work. Learn the fundamentals ASAP. Get them done, okay? If you don't want to, sell the course here, if you're not interested in that, at least download the complete web developer roadmap. It's free in the description. It's a nice little thing that you can read in about 5 to 10 minutes. It's a whole roadmap. It tells you what languages to learn, all you need to learn to get started. Don't go past that. How to avoid, the pitfalls of just learning forever, overlearning. I posted a video about overlearning about a week or 2 weeks ago now. That thing is like taking off. I did not think that video was going to do that great. Usually the only videos that get a lot of watch time are my building tutorials, but that video people are liking, and I even got a hater comment from it where somebody said I was an idiot pretty much. So that's kind of cool. That's like one of my first haters. So once you get haters, you're doing something right. But yeah. Put these skills to work. I don't show you guys this stuff to flex. I want to like motivate you and be like, look what you can do if you just stop focus on trying to learn everything under the sun. Put your skills into practice as a web developer. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.